LA considers ambitious proposal to provide housing for every homeless person. Talk about a reason to want to migrate to Los Angeles. You don't even have to worry about where you're going to stay anymore. According to this article, they, or the city of Los Angeles, wants to do this because there's not enough being done to help the homeless population. Well, I'll agree with that, but that's any city in America. There's never, really never enough done to help the homeless. Some people choose to be that way, but not everyone does. And the ones that are trying to get out of that lifestyle, they can't ever seem to get the right kind of help, and all they seem to get is to be looked down upon. So is that on that part of it, I do agree. I don't agree that giving every homeless person a house is the answer. You want to know what the answer is? Making them a productive part of society. Instead of focusing on where they're going to stay, how about adding to the shelters, making them more livable, making them more to where they don't have to have showers so that they don't feel like they're in a prison state? How about helping them get out of that situation? How about helping the children that are in this situation not feel like they are outside of society? You know these kids get picked on and bullied when they go into school, unless every kid in the school is homeless, which could very well be in some areas. I don't know. Makes you think. Why not give these families an opportunity to better themselves? How about instead of offering a house, instead of spending thousands of dollars on a trailer, even if it's one of the trailers that FEMA uses, how about investing in employment opportunities? How about giving incentives to businesses that hire homeless people? How about giving incentives to businesses to not nitpick someone's background? Because, hey, let's face it, homeless and your kids are hungry, you're going to do things you're not proud of in order to put food on the table so your kids can eat. Or so that you can go buy a loaf of bread and some bologna or whatever else you can so that they can eat. I'm not going to sit here and blame somebody for doing something that's I consider to be wrong just so that their child can have something to eat. Or they're pregnant and they need food. How about working on the systems that's already in place? We're talking about California, Los Angeles. They're the most leftist area in the country. I know that there's programs out there set up to help people that are indigent, to help people that are low income, to help people that are a minority, to help women, and for children. And if there's not, well, then that tells a lot about the democratic governance. Instead of trying to create a separate society or separate culture of homeless people, how about let's try to fix the one that's already there? You may agree with me, you may not. That's my view. I'm going to leave the link to this and what they actually said. You can read it for yourself. I don't like reading news articles verbatim. You can do that for yourself. Read. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good night and God bless.